Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites so you don't hit a lockout. Make sure the base progress and the core quest that gates Dax are completed. Once done, check that the NPC flag is active. Next, gather the required items, the key code, 3 power cells, and the mission pass, and stash them in your quick inventory. Travel immediately to Dax Outpost and equip stealth and comms modules. This first setup prevents backtracking and lets you begin the mission flow now. Once at the outpost, initiate contact. Use your comms to trigger the NPC dialogue and follow the prompt to input the key code at the central console, because that sequence opens the inner lock. After that, move deliberately, avoid patrols by using short 0. 5 cloak bursts and routing through ventilation shafts. This reduces firefights and preserves resources. Next, complete the mini objectives. Hack 2 terminals to override security and divert power to Sector B. These steps realign the systems and prepare the final unlock. You're at the climax. Activate the main override, then insert the mission pass exactly when the console displays the green pulse. Timing matters, so wait for the confirmation beep before proceeding. Once accepted, escort the NPC to the extraction point or hold position until the completion timer ends, because movement can cancel the sequence. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Recheck the key code for transcription errors. Restart the console sequence from the access terminal, and clear any nearby alarms so the override can proceed without interruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.